Do you want to learn how to make a Roblox game, but you just don't know where to start? Well, I'm going to teach you in this episode. I'm going to teach you how to make this very, very simple game where you can collect coins. Obby where you can collect coins, and yeah, then it'll go up here. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, to get started, firstly you're gonna wanna click new experience on the left, and this will load the base plate. Okay, so what we're planning to make is an obby where basically you have to collect coins along the obby, and then at the end you'll win, and you'll also show how many coins you got. It's very simple, but like it'll look good hopefully. So first you want to enter a part, make sure it's a block. This bit you can do yourself, but I'm going to explain how to like actually do this bit first before I make the whole thing. So you want to do that to get the part, and then to scale it out like this, you're just going to want to make sure that scale appears selected, and then you just want to scale it out. If you want to have it like equal on both sides scaling, you just hold control and then it'll do that. Or you can tell shift to turn off snapping, so it won't just snap to like a different part. It makes sense in a bit. So yeah, just put this like there. Like that, sure. Then you can just do Control D to dupe it. So yeah, instead of having to copy and paste it and stuff, just make your life so much easier. I think that's pretty good there. Also, if you want to add a platform under this, you just want to dupe the back one here, and then you're just gonna want to scale it out. This just give people like who spawn a bit more room to have. And then and if you want to move a part, if you made a mistake or something, you want to like, make sure that move is toggled up here, and then you can just do it. So this move along this axis. So the blue line. I forgot what axis that is. Oh, I'm too stupid. But this will move it across like this. Red will move it like this way, and green moves it like up and down. So yeah. Also, yes, you also want to make sure select everything to make sure anchored is toggled up here. If it's not, then everything is just it's gonna be weird. It'll all fall about everywhere, and you do not want that. I promise. Also, if it's like the thing's glitching here a little bit, set the transparency to 1, and then yeah. Alright, so we're then gonna we might add checkpoints if you guys want me to continue this and how to like fully make this game. But for now we won't add checkpoints. So we'll make a new stage. We'll just copy this. We'll maybe make like a square thing. I don't know what to call it. So make this 9, 1, 9, and just move it like there. Then we'll just Control D this, like that. Well, I can just move these across a bit. Then Control D this. We do that again. Alright, nice. And then we're gonna this anchored, yeah, right. Then we're gonna just drip this again. We could add one more stage. Yeah, we might as well. No, we'll actually not bother. We'll make this like a platform to go in there. Yeah, we'll do that. So then you just want to dip that. Scale it in. You could just move this scale a bit more there. I'll also show you how to like make the whole thing look a bit more interesting in a minute, guys. So then you just want to Control D this again. And then there you go. And then we can maybe make this a bit wider. Use hold Control, holding this, so make it wider. And then we can go to the toolbox, so it's window toolbox, it's not already on your screen. And then you can just look up Trophy. Now make sure if you're using one, make sure that there's no scripts in it. Otherwise it might put a virus into your game and you do not want that. So I'm just pick this one. There's no scripts in it, that's good. I just have this like this. Maybe we'll even make it like give you a badge if you win. Maybe we'll save that for a future video if I continue to like making this all right. Looks pretty good. Oh, we can even have text here. Okay, that's you don't really need to know this bit right now, guys. But if you want to edit it, you just want to click. You want to hold Alt to select any part in the model. Just click this. Go to click the Surface GUI and then go to text label. Then you want to go down to the text property. Then change this to, I don't know. You win. I can't spell you win. I'm just gonna delete like the rest of the time sooner or later. It's actually just a few win. And then I'm just gonna make sure. Also, I would toggle. Oh, that is toggle what? How small is this? What? Okay, never mind. You can even then change the font. So I don't know. You could have Fredoka if you want. Why does this look so squished? I'm so confused. I don't know why it looks like that. What? Alright, just doesn't matter. Anyway, so next, if you want to change the color of the parts, select the part that you want to do. Or you can hold Control to select multiple. So I could change the color of this and then click the so if you want to get a color that's already like preset colors, you can just go here, and this will show you a bunch of these. Or if you want to have like color like your own choosing, you can just do this, and then you do a whole wheel. What? I might make this like this. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah. I will just make the whole bring it back a little bit. Nice. And you can then maybe customize these. So these could maybe be yellow, maybe a bit like this, yeah. I'm probably gonna theme this on my channel colors, so because I just feel like it. Okay, so then if you want to get the same color and you don't know what the exact color was and you just can't be bothered to look for it again, go down to here, click the properties here, and then copy this, the color property, and then just go to the ones that you want to put the color on, and then just click, and then Control V, and then as you can see, I'll put the color in. Next, alright, that, this to this. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Maybe I'll add a badge giver at the end. Okay, so the next part is two different things. If you want to have, like, let's say you want to have lava underneath when you touch it, it kills you. I would go to the base plate, and then I would change the brick. So I would change the brick color to red, like that, and then take maybe the tile thing off, I don't know. And then you want to add a script to it. Just click plus and script. Name it kill script. And then we could do local kb equal script dot parent. So kb dot touched. Connect function hit. I might do a script tutorial soon, guys, so stay tuned. Oh, hit, and then you want to do local character. Sorry, we'll do character equals script dot parent local humanoid equals character. Wait for child humanoid. Oh wait, sorry. You want to do characters head dot parent. Oops, my bad, guys. Characters head dot parent. Sorry. And then you want to do if humanoid, then humanoid dot health equals 0. And then this will, if I just play test, just touch this, as you see, it'll just kill me immediately. But if you don't want that and you just want it to be void, you can simply go to the base plate and then just hit Control X, and that'll just make it void. I'd build the obby first before doing this, otherwise it'll kind of be hard to move parts around as easily. So I see if I play. Just do the obby. Very easy obby. You can obviously customize it however you like and all that. And then, we'll walk here and we won, yay! But this is very boring, there's not really much to it. You could add more stages, obviously, but we could also add another aspect of the game, and that is coins. So you can collect coins throughout this and stuff. So yeah, let's just try and do that. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is go to server script service and add a script. Name it later stats, and then you're gonna want to do I think it's local players equals game get service players. Then you're gonna want to do players. I think it's player added connect function, and then put in these little brackets here, but player. So then do local leader stats equals instance dot new folder, and then do so then leader stats dot parent. Okay, so sorry, so my last recording crashed. Okay, so basically when you leader stats dot parent equals player, actually go a line up, and we'll just do it later stats dot name equals. Now make sure it's this exact name later stats with all not no capitals. Just that's what. Otherwise, it will not work. It will not work properly. And now we're gonna make the coins. So we'll do local coins equals instance dot new. It's a number value. So you're gonna want to put coins dot name equals coins dot value equals 0, and coins dot parent equals the later stats. So now if I just join the game quickly, you'll see now that there's this leaderboard comes up and it has coins next to it on it now. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. So whenever you collect one of these coins, this will go up by 1. So for this video, we're not gonna have randomly generated ones. We're just gonna put them in workspace, and yeah, so we're just gonna have them in workspace already. So we'll just have to do it like that. So make a coin now. You can make it however you like. I'm gonna do it by adding a cylinder in. So you want to go to party mode, switch it to cylinder. Do then control. Well, this isn't working. Go to rotate, and then rotate this way 90 degrees. So it's like this. And then you're going to want to go to scale, which is up here, as you might remember. And hold shift for your camera to go slow, by the way. Make this so much easier. But then do it like that. I think that looks pretty good. And then you can make it yellow, I guess. Change the material. Change this to neon, sure. That looks okay like that. And if you really want to, then you could add a surface GUI. What side is that on? What side? Okay, that's on that side. Don't want on that side. Okay, right. Then we're going to add a text label and make sure that it's size 1010. Now, if it's rotated upside down, then you're going to want to go to rotation property in text label, and you're going to want to do 180. Sorry, 180, not that, right. Then turn background transparency to 1. And then you're going to want to put in a $sign or whatever you want the text to be, and then make your text is scaled. And yeah, and you can change the font, obviously. pretty good one. I think looks pretty good there. Alright, so now we have a simple coin. Very simple coin model. And this coin. We're actually in this coin template. No, we'll just call it coin. It's gonna be random generating. So in future, if you guys want me to continue the series, I'll make sure you how to do it like randomly generating. So it'll randomly generate in the lobby. We'll also probably extend it a bit. But for now, I'll just be in set positions. So yeah. So we'll just pop this. We'll just jip this if you know. So firstly, we'll right click it. We'll do group as a folder. And we'll just call it coins. Just keep stuff more organized. In fact, you can actually select like the whole lobby. Group as a folder. And just call it lobby. It just makes everything more organized. So put that in the lobby folder. Okay, so you should have this just one folder now, and it says lobby, and then everything else inside it. So we have our coin. So then you just want to place the coin. Actually, do you want? Maybe we should code this first. Yeah. Okay. So we want to insert a script. Should I maybe make? No, we'll do that different episode. If it continues. So just call this coin collect script. If you guys want me to continue this will all be merged. You would have to have one separate script in each coin because it's kind of messy. But just for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just keep it like that. Keep it simple. So yeah. Okay, so take out print hello world, and then we're gonna do local coin. So we're gonna do actually we'll do local players equals game get service. You guys can hear me typing probably. Players. And we'll just go down to line 3. We'll do local coin equals script dot parent. So then we're going to do coin dot touched. Remember this was part of the killbrick one, but it'll be a little different to the connect function. We'll do hit. No, actually we'll do touched. No, actually we'll do collected. So then we'll do local character equals collected dot parent local then. So then we're gonna get the actual player of the character. So the local player equals players get player from character. So it's this option here, get player from character, and we're going to put in character. So next part then, if player, then we're gonna want to get the coins here. So local coins equals player. Sorry guys, I'm not like really the best at this. Find first child. Leader stats. Find first child coins. We know it should be there. Actually, I would change this to wait for child. Actually, never mind. I don't know why I put find first child. Wait, I would put wait for child just in case, because this will not work properly without. So then I'm going to do if coins, then coins dot value. Actually, if you want to make sure that this is probably annoying you, so it's not going to show value. So you actually go to here, put a colon, and then you go and do a number value. So if I do this, coins dot HCL value, because we know this is going to be a number value equal +1. I think that's how you should do it properly. Yeah, I think so. I hope so. Then we're gonna destroy the coin whenever we collect it, obviously. So then we'll do coin destroy. See, I've also just realized. Okay, so what I'll actually do task. So, Or maybe not destroy it. Coin dot transparency equals 1 local coin. You're going to use a setting called can touch equals false, so this will stop you being able to touch it. Okay, so that should be it. We'll just do this to like 5 seconds so we actually test it properly. Okay, so I know it was wrong. Can't touch has been still false here. I actually suck. Right. Right, so now it should work properly. So 1 coin. Right, 2 coins. There we go. It works properly now. So then, you can just scatter this down across the map. Scatter this coin around the map then. You know, like we can have one here maybe. We could have one maybe at spawn even. Have one over here. We could have one over here. You did go there. Have one. Okay, so I just remembered this. If you want to publish a game, so if you want to save it first, so you're going to do file, save to Roblox, and then it will show you like a menu to save it. If you want to publish it, you want to go here. You're going to click publish to Roblox, and then it'll send a message to the server, and then it will publish the game, and you can now play this on Roblox. So yeah, there. So yeah, yeah, that's a very simple game. So yeah, if you guys want me to do another episode of this, make sure to let me know, and I will, and I'll show you all how to add GUI that like will show you how many coins you've got. We could add random coin spawning. We could add we could even like add sounds when you collect the coin and rotating twins in the coin, so then it'll go like this on the. So then yeah, it'll look pretty cool. So guys, make sure to like, subscribe, comment what you want for the next episode if I do another one, obviously. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon.